Hello friends, welcome to Just For You channel. Today in top 5 product listing video, I discuss about list of top 5 best coffee maker machines which is very handy and easy to carry. Here I also discuss about those features and specifications. So let's talk about it. Number 1. Morphy Richards Fresco Coffee Maker. Fresco coffee maker machine comes with black color body with temperature indicator dial. Its total capacity is 4 cups with milk frothing. It provides overheat protection and operating voltage is 210 to 250 volts and powered up with 800 watts. It also comes with drip tray, glass carafe, milk frothing nozzle and stainless steel 2 cups filter. Number 2. Prestige Drip PCMD 3.0 Coffee Maker. Prestige Drip comes with black color body with anti-drip mechanism with advanced design mesh filter. Its capacity is 6 cups. It also has advanced brewing technology with water level indicator which gives you the great cup of coffee instantly. It also has lifter handle facilities to easy removal of filter. Number 3. Prestige PCMD 2.0 41855 Coffee Maker. This coffee maker comes with black color compact design body. It has advanced design filter and has a brew basket with lifter handle and makes 1 to 2 cups of coffee. It is powered up with 400 watts. This Prestige coffee maker also have advanced mesh filter, anti-drip mechanism, advanced brewing technology, water level indicator, etc. Number 4. Havells Crystal Tea and Coffee Maker. Havells Crystal Glass Tea and Coffee Maker comes with stainless steel body with black color. It has a brewing technology with filter basket and a strict thermostat temperature controller. It also has a nice bent handle and detachable base so you can carry it easily. It is powered up with 600 watt. This machine is best for brewing both coffee and tea. Number 5. Usha Coffee Maker 3320. Usha Coffee Maker comes with black color body with LED display panel which measuring your brewing time. It provides consolidated heating element, lockable top lid and dry boiled protection features. Its total capacity is 12 cups of coffee. It also comes with a removable drip tray. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up below. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Get upcoming video notification in your mailbox. Feel free to comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.